Question number 7. From the standard form, let me repeat myself. That's the form that I personally call the general form. Well, it's not personal. You find that in many textbooks also. So I need to solve f of x equals 0, but using the quadratic formula. And first, I'm going to calculate the discriminant. So f of x equals 0 is equivalent to 1/2 x squared minus 2x minus 6 equals 0. And the discriminant would be b squared minus 4ac, which is negative 2 squared minus 4 times 1/2 times negative 6. You can very well plug that in. So I have negative 2 squared. Please notice my proper use of the parentheses, times 1/2 times negative 6, and I've got 16. Now eventually calculate the square root of this discriminant, which would be just positive 4. And finally, I can conclude that f of x equals 0 is equivalent to x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of the discriminant divided by 2a, which in that case would be x equals negative 2 is positive 2 plus or minus the square root of the discriminant, which is 4, divided by 2a. 2 times 1/2 is 1, and I'll have x equals 2 plus 4 is 6 divided by 1 is 6, or x equals 2 minus 4 is negative 2 divided by 1 is negative 2. And I, of course, find the same result. Now question number 8. From the factored form, distribute and find the standard form. So I'll have f of x equals, so the factored form is 1/2 times x minus 6 times x plus 2. I am first going to FOIL this, so I'll have x times x is x squared. Then I'm going to distribute, to add the outer and inner product, and 2x minus 6x is negative 4x. And finally, I'm going to have the outer product, the last product, negative 6 times 2 is negative 12. And finally, I'm going to distribute this factor with each of those 3 terms and have 1/2 x squared minus 2x minus 6. From the vertex form, which is f of x equals 1/2 times x plus 2, I think, or x minus 2. X minus 2 squared minus 8. First, I'm going to distribute, or rather apply the square using the perfect square trinomial. So I am undoing the completing the square that I did previously. Now, as a reminder, the perfect square trinomial identity is this one: a plus or minus b squared equals a squared plus or minus twice the product ab plus b squared. So in that case, I would have x squared minus 4x plus 4. Don't forget the minus 8 here. And now if I distribute then the 1/2 with each, I would have 1/2 x squared minus 2x plus 2. And after a final simplification, 2 minus 8 is negative 6. And I land on the exact same result. That's it. Good luck.